Good day, everyone. I am Mina Nabata, the leader of Group Mimaropa, and today allow us to present our website, including how we made it using HTML. We will also give you information about our chosen attractions in Mimaropa, as well as the nearby accommodations available. Without further ado, let me call on Miss Kabakaba for the introduction of Mimaropa.
Mimaropa is a region in the Philippines encompassing the islands of Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. Its name is an acronym derived from the first two letters of each island, known for its stunning beaches, diverse marine life, and lush landscape. Mimaropa is a popular destination for tourists seeking natural beauty and adventure. For continuation, may I request Ms. Abigail Borja to discuss the features of our website and the procedure on how we use the HTML for the outcome.
Okay, greetings everyone. I am Malia Abigail Borja, and today we will discuss the procedure on how we made our website using HTML. And yeah, let us now look at the HTML code shown on the screen. We have the banner code and we input the opening tag and wrote the exclamation point doc type to start our coding. And do not forget to enclose it for it will not generate on your website if it's incomplete. Next, we have the body. We choose steel blue to make it look clean and comfortable and added our media file for Mimaropa. In saving the file, we always use .html after the file name to make it run on the website. And to discuss the menu, we have Miss Janemy Britannia.
Good day. I am Jana B and allow me to discuss the features of our menu. First off, we choose sky blue for our background color to balance the color of our web page. And then we proceed on the input of the main cities that we choose. Together with these cities are the core attraction we made individually. The menu is clickable with the use of links that contains our description for each attraction. For the main page, I would like to call Miss Stephanie Sanda. Good day. I am Stephanie Sande, and for the last part of our encoding, we have the main page, where you can see all our definition together with the available accommodation nearby. We choose B5DC B3 as our background color. Along with this page are the links of our individual works. To successfully apply it and make it accessible, we save it on file and we do the test run. And we make sure if all the code was correct. Let us now proceed on the discussion of each attraction.
Right? Now, the first province in Mimaropa is the Mindoro Oriental. Mindoro Oriental is famous for its rich marine life and colorful coral reefs. Its fresh environment, tropical climate, agricultural setting, and numerous beaches are the most visited and adored in the island. Oriental Mindoro's lakes, rivers, rainforests, and wild animals still captures tourist attention. And I have here the four attractions, which are the Mangyan Village, Mount Halcon, Tamaral Falls, and Tuparan Falls. But now let's proceed first in Mangyan Village. Mangyan Village. Mangyan Village is known for its a living testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Mangyan people, known for their close connection with nature and traditional ways of life. And its accommodation is first is the under the Mangyan Village is the are the hotels nearby. The first one is the Infinity Resort. And the definitions of Infinity Resort, it is located in Mindoro Oriental, and this resort is known for its luxurious amenities and beautiful beachfront setting. And the second accommodations nearby in Mangyan Village is the La Laguna Villas Luxury Dive Resort and Spa. It is also located in Mindoro Oriental, and this resort is ideal for those interested in diving and exploring the marine life of the area, in addition to visiting the Mangyan village. And our second destinations in Mindoro Oriental is the Mount Halcon. The Mount Halcon is also located in Mindoro Oriental and stand as formidable challenge for mountaineers with its elevations of 2,586 meters. Known for its steep slopes and diverse ecosystems, it attracts adventurers eager to navigate its challenging terrain while experiencing the rich biodiversity unique to the region. And the together with this attraction are the hotels nearby, which are the Atamarao Beach Resort. It is near from Mount Halcon, and this resort offers comfortable lodging that's a bit farther from Mount Halcon but provides a great base for those looking to combine mountain adventures with some beach relaxation. And the second accommodations is the Filipiniana Calapan. Filipiniana Calapan stand out as a charming hotel in Oriental Mindoro, perfectly blending Filipino hospitality with modern conveniences. And we will proceed to the third destination, which is the Tamarao Falls. Tamarao Falls is also located in Mindoro Oriental, and it is a breathtaking natural attraction easily accessible from Puerto Galera. And this impressive waterfall cascades 423 feet into a clear pool below, surrounded by lush vegetation, offering a stunning spectacle of nature's beauty. And the nearby hotel in Tamarao Falls is the Bamboo House Beach Lodge and Restaurants. It is also located in Oriental Mindoro, located in a picturesque setting of Mindoro Oriental, and it's situated in a convenient location for exploring both the beaches and Tamarao Falls. And the second nearby accommodation is the Sunset at Aninoan Beach Resort. Aninoan Beach Resort are located close to the beach, and this resort is known for its quiet and relaxing atmosphere, perfect for travelers looking to unwind. And the last destination in Mindoro Oriental is the Tupuran Falls. Tupuran Falls is also located in Mindoro Oriental, Puerto Galera, and the nasa located in the verdant outskirts of Puerto Galera, Oriental Mindoro. It offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace. And that is the fourth destination in Mindoro Oriental. Now let us move on the next city or province, which is the Mindoro Occidental.
The next province is Occidental Mindoro. The Occidental Mindoro is situated on the western part of the island of Mindoro, facing the South China Sea. It is bordered by Oriental Mindoro to the east and Palawan to the southwest. And I have here four attractions that is famous in Occidental Mindoro. The Afo Ref Natural Park, White Island, Ambulot Island, and the Ragara Beach. We will go to the first attraction, the Apo Ref Natural Park. The Apo Ref Natural Park is the second largest contiguous coral reef in the world and the largest one in the Philippines. The Apo Ref Natural Park consists of the three islands because the Apo Ref is the largest among the three islands. We have two accommodations here in Apo Ref Natural Park. The first one is the Sablayan Adventure Cup. The Sablayan Adventure Cup is the beach resort conveniently located with the town proper of Sablayan. It has two small islands in front provides natural protection from the elements, as well as refuge from tropical fishes. The second accommodation is the Eagle Point Hotel. The Eagle Point Hotel is one of the best beach destination in the Philippines because the Eagle Point Batangas Beach Resort offers pristine beaches, endless ocean vibes, and exclusive access to the best diving and snorkeling site in the country. We will now go to the next attraction is the White Island. The White Island in Mindoro Occidental is good for transit stay here. Try to snorkeling or go diving for an hour so you can relax here by lunch by the beach, get a suntan, read and just listen to music on the waves as you let the day go by. I have here two accommodation is the SJ Mansion. The SJ Mansion is the accommodation in a good neighborhood which is located at San Jose. The accommodation has very good location, also near the San Jose Airport. The second accommodation is the Season Hotel. The Season Hotel in Sablayan provides air-conditioned accommodation in Buena Vista. Both free Wi-Fi and parking on-site are accessible at the bed and breakfast free of charge. The next attraction is the Ambulong Island in Mindoro Occidental. The Ambulong Island is derived from the local term bulong. Translated to medicine, holds a distinct identify as the island of healing. This unique nomenclature underscore the island aspiration to become a notable destination for medical tourism. I have here two accommodation here in Ambulong Island. The first one is the Labros Adventure Camp and Waterfront. This accommodation has 15-room hotel, stands out as a convenient haven located 28.5 miles. Next one is the Solwara Beach Resort. The Solwara Beach Resort stands as an inviting retreat offering air-conditioned accommodation with a private pool view, and a welcoming patio. The last attraction destination here in Occidental Mindoro is the Ragara Beach. The Ragara Beach is a pristine coastal gem nestled in an enchanting province of Mindoro, known for its untouched natural beauty and serene atmosphere. I have here two accommodation here in Ragara Beach. The first one is the Labros Adventure Camp and Waterfront. It is Labros Adventure Camp and Waterfront. A 15-room hotel stands out for convenient haven, and the next one is Solwara Beach Resort. Stands as inviting retreat, offering air-conditioned accommodation with private pool. Next province is the Marinduque.
I am Rebecca Bacaba and I will discuss the Marinduque. Marinduque is a small picturesque island located in the central region of the Philippines, known for its stunning landscape, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant festival. And there are four attractions here in Marinduque. First is Boa Cathedral, Bagumbungan Cave, Puktoy Beach, and Paadjaw Falls. And we will proceed in Boa Cathedral. Cathedral is experienced the rich history and culture in Marinduque. At the Boa Cathedral, built in 792 as a fortress and served as the hideout during a Moro attack and was in the site of the blessing of the Philippines Revolutionary flag. And there are two accommodations. First is the Villaroca Island Resort in Spa. It is a luxurious resort is located on the private island, just a short boat ride from the Boac, offering stunning views of the ocean and a peaceful retreat for those looking to relax and unwind. The second is the Marinduque Hot Spring Resort and Spa. This resort offers guests a unique opportunity to soak in natural thermal hot spring while enjoying stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The second attraction is the Bagumbungan Cave. Bagumbungan Cave is you will amazed by its natural beauty. The cave is known for its stunning rock formations, underground rivers, and unique flora and fauna. Inside the cave, you can explore its chambers, swim in its crystal clear waters, or even go spelunking if you're feeling adventurous. And there have two accommodations here in Bagumbungan Cave, which is the Casa de Don Emilio Bed and Breakfast. It is ideally situated for guests looking to explore the city and its surrounding attractions. Located within the walking distance of popular restaurants, shops, and cultural landmarks. The second one is the Bilaroca Island Resort and Spa. It is a beautiful shore of the resort is luxurious haven that promises an unforgettable vacation experience for those seeking tranquility and relaxed accommodation at Bilaroca Island. The third one is the Poktoy White Beach. Poktoy White Beach is a pristine paradise that boasts soft white sand, clear tortoise waters, and tranquil atmosphere that draws visitors seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And this have two accommodation, which is the Dongsimen Beach Resort, which is array of activities available for guests to enjoy, from snorkeling in the vibrant coral reefs just off the coast to taking a leisurely stroll along the beach at the sunset. The second one is the Coco Beach Resort, which consists the traditional Filipino-style cottages that are elegantly furnished and equipped with modern amenities. The last one is the Paadjaw Falls. It is a hidden gem, usually in the picturesque province of Marinduque in the Philippines. This stunning beach is a true tropical paradise with its pristine white sand, crystal clear tortoise water, and lush greenery surrounding. And they have two accommodations, which is the Green Pension House offers a tranquil retreat for travelers seeking a relaxation and rejuvenating getaway. The second one is the Bilaroca Island Resort Spa, which is the hidden gem nestled on the beautiful shore of Ajao Beach in the Philippines. The resort is luxurious haven that promises an unforgettable vacation experience for those seeking tranquility, relax, and accommodation. The next one is the Romblon.
Welcome to Romblon, where adventure meets a tranquility. Romblon is a picturesque province in the Philippines, comprising a group of islands in a central part of the archipelago. Known for its stunning landscape, Romblon boasts crystal clear waters, white sand, beaches, and lush green hills. The province is recognized for its marble industry, producing high-quality marble products that have gained both national and international acclaim. With a rich cultural heritage and a warm hospitality, Romblon offers a serene escape for those seeking natural beauty and glimpse into the local way of life. Let's discover the four tourist spots in Romblon: Mount Giting-Giting, Alan Islands, Coto Carabao Islands, Logbon. Let's first embark a thrilling trek up Mount Giting-Giting, challenging trails on Sibuyan Island. Reach Romblon via Manila or Katiklan, then ferry to Sibuyan for immersive nature experience with local guides. For the near accommodation of Mount Giting-Giting, stay at the Sanctuary Garden Resort in Magdiwang for a serene eco getaway offering tree houses, villas, and nature activities. And the next accommodation that near in Mount Giting-Giting is BRT Brilliant Hotel provides a hassle-free stay with comfortable rooms, free breakfast, and bike rentals. For the next tourist spot, let's go to the Island Islands. Discover Island Islands, a hidden paradise in Romblon, named Abmaayad-Ayad, or a beautiful island. In Romblon, Manon, island boasts pristine beaches, fly to Tugdan Airport, then take a scenic boat to explore its white sands and vibrant marine sanctuaries. For the near accommodation of Island Islands, stay luxury at Sunset Cove Beach or Dive Resort, overlooking the beachfront Sunset Cove Beach and Dive Resort provides a luxurious four-star retreat in Romblon, offering an outdoor swimming pool, garden, and an on-site restaurant. And the next accommodation is the Tinaog Beach Resort, both offering sea views and recreational spaces. Island Islands invite you to unwill the beauty and tranquility, promising and a memorable stay whether in a comfort or sustainable retreat. Let's go to the next destination is the Carabao Islands. Welcome to the Carabao Islands and 1 hour away from Boracay. Dive into the adventure with the cliff diving, spelunking, and pristine beaches like San Jose and Lanas. For the near accommodation of Carabao Islands is the Lanas Beach Resort, overlooking the beachfronts. Lanas Beach Resorts present three-star accommodation in San Jose, offering guests a serene escape with its garden, church lounge, and terrace. Let's let's go to the next accommodation, the beach house nestled on Carabao Islands, a mere 10 kilometers from the re-owned Boracay. The beach house stands as a haven of luxury with its exclusive boutique accommodation featuring a private beach area. Whichever you choose, Carabao Islands promises a memorable blend of relaxation and adventure in Romblon. Let's go to the next destination, Lugbon Island. Nestled just 10 to 15 minutes from Romblon Port, Lugbon Islands beckons with its 2-kilometer White Sands Beach, offering a perfect day to skate, engage in a water sports, explore the fishing community, and savor local delights for an authentic summer getaway. Beyond the picturesque landscape, the island invites you adventure with activities like hiking, diving, and hike up for panoramic views, concluding your vacation as serene note. For the near accommodation of Lugbon Islands, choose Horizon Hotel Blanc. It offers a three-star haven with the array of amenities. The hotels boasts an outdoor swimming pool, complimentary private parking, a fitness center, and an on-site restaurant for guest convenience. For the next accommodations, Romblon Beach and Dive Resort, a charming beachfront retreat for an comfortable stay on these enchanting islands, promising an easy and accessible tropical paradise experience. Romblon, Romblon invites you to discover comfort, adventure, and the beauty of nature in a short escape. Welcome to the next province of Memaropa, Palawan.
So, good day everyone. Again, I am Nina Clarice Nabata, and for the last province, we have the Palawan. Palawan is a province in the Philippines known for its stunning natural beauty, including pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush rainforests. It's famous for attractions such as the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, Coron's iconic limestone cliffs, and wreck diving sites, and El Nido's picture island and lagoons. Palawan is also recognized for its rich marine biodiversity, making it a popular destination for ecotourism and adventure seekers. I have here the four attractions that are loved and enjoyed by different visitors and tourists. So first, we have the El Nido Palawan, the Puerto Princesa Underground River, the Coron Island, and the last one is the Tobataha Reefs Natural Park. So for the first attraction, we have the El Nido Palawan. So El Nido Palawan, located in Palawan, Philippines, is renowned for its stunning limestone cliff, crystal clear waters, and diverse marine life. So for the nearby hotel, we have the first one, El Nido Resorts, Lagen Island. Nestled within the majestic beauty of Bakit Bay, El Nido Resorts Lagen Island offers a luxurious eco-sanctuary for travelers seeking tranquility and adventure. Next hotel, we have the Pangulasian Island Resort. Perched on a pristine stretch of white sandy beach overlooking the crystal clear water of Bakit Bay. Pangulasian Island Resort beckons travelers to indulge in a luxury and serenity. For the second attraction, we have Puerto Princesa Underground River. So, the Puerto Princesa Underground River is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Palawan, Philippines. It is renowned for its unique ecosystem, stunning limestone, karst landscapes, and as one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world. So for the nearby hotels, we have the first one, Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa. Nestled along the pristine shores of Sabang Beach, Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa offers a luxurious retreat just a stone's throw away from the Puerto Princesa Underground River. For the second accommodation, we have the Daluyan Beach and Mountain Resort. Set amid lush gardens and overlooking the tranquil shores of Sabang Beach. Daluyan Beach and Mountain Resort offers a harmonious blend of luxury and natural beauty just minutes away from the Puerto Princesa Underground River. For the third attraction, we have the Coron Island. So, Coron Island is a picture destination located in the province of Palawan, Philippines. It is renowned for its stunning limestone cliffs, turquoise water, and diverse marine life. For the nearby hotels, we have the first one, Two Seasons Coron Island Resorts and Spa, situated at the picture Maloroy Peninsula in Coron. Two Seasons Coron Island Resort and Spa offers a luxurious retreat with stunning views of the surrounding turquoise water and towering limestone cliffs. For the second one, we have the Club Paradise Resort. Nestled on the remote and enchanting Dimakia Island in Coron, Club Paradise Resort offers a secluded paradise surrounded by crystal clear waters and lush tropical greenery. And for the last but not the least attraction, we have the Tubataha Reefs Natural Park. So, Tubataha Reefs Natural Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Sulu Sea, Philippines. It is renowned for exceptional marine biodiversity and pristine coral reefs, making it a heaven for marine life enthusiasts and conservationists. And for the nearby hotels, we have the first one, Astoria, Palawan. Located in the beautiful coastal town of San Rafael, Astoria, Palawan offers a luxurious retreat with Tubataha Reefs Natural Park. For the second one, we have the Dos Palmas Island Resort and Spa. Situated on the private island in Honda Bay, Dos Palmas Island Resort and Spa offers a tranquil escape just a short distance from the Tubataha Natural Park. Now, and that is for our consolidation on our 20 tourist attractions and the tutorials on how we made our Mimaropa website from the very beginning. We hope you like our presentation and had the opportunity to appreciate all the tourist attractions more than ever. Again, we are the Mimaropa Group. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.